We're going to be taking you outside and we're going to be painting a storm drain.
Good job.
Whoa!
Do you love it, Junior?
Yeah. It is so cool.
We're doing our storm drain painting, our paint out pollution, and we have a slogan. And the slogan says, your river starts here, only rain in the drain. What does that mean?
So I think it means like that only water is supposed to go in the drain and that it starts there and it goes out into the James River. So whatever you put in there, it's gonna go out to the James River.
That's great. That's awesome. You spray painted before? Yeah.
Oh yeah! Woo! Yes, doesn't that look nice and bright?